makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Oh yeah. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. That's right. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. Yeah. Sometimes I'm in a jam. I've gotta make a plan. It might be crazy. I do it anyway. No way to know for sure. I figure out a cure. I'm patching up the holes, but then it overflows. If I'm not doing too well, why be so hard on myself? Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it. And if I mess it up sometime, hey, nobody's perfect. Sometimes I work a scheme, but then it flips on me. Doesn't turn out how I plan. Get stuck in quicksand, but no problem can't be solved. Once I get involved, I try to be delicate, then crash right into it. But my intentions are good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sometimes just misunderstood. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it. And if I mess it up sometimes, nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. I know time I'll find the way. Nobody's perfect. Sometimes I fix things up and they fall apart again. Nobody's perfect. I might mix things up, but I always get it right in the end. You know I do. Next time you feel like it's just one of those days when you just can't seem to win, if things don't turn out the way you planned, figure something else out. Don't stay down. Try again. Yeah! Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. That's right. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody